I was sent this set of roof-mounted overhead flashers and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you're going to get in the box. This set here is a 56 LED. So they have them in different sizes. This one has 56 LEDs all around. And you'll see that it has 6 sides to it. So you're going to be able to see these lights at all angles. So it's got 3 sides here, on this side here, actually 8 sides. 3 on this side here, and then front and back. So you're going to have all kinds of angles represented here when the lights are lit up. This is a pretty beefy setup. It's got 4 sets of magnets to mount this to your roof. And these are like suction cup covers here, but underneath them, you've got these really strong magnets that are going to mount this device to the top of your roof, and you're going to be able to drive with it, and they're not going to fall off. It's going to be a really good setup here because these are really strong magnets, and there's 4 sets of them there. The nice thing about this, you're just going to attach this to the top of your vehicle, and then you're going to be able to just take this and plug it right into the cigarette lighter. And you're going to have 2 functions here. This is the on-off for the lights, and when it's on, it'll be illuminated. And then this here will go through the different settings on the light. So you can plug that in like this, push these, and you're going to go through all different flashing patterns. I get a quick instruction manual here to explain it, but it's best to just check this out and see what it looks like when it's mounted on the vehicle. Let's do that right now. Now here's the light mounted on top of the vehicle. Very easy to do. I just set that on there, and the magnets are holding that thing in place. Extremely strong. I mean, you can't even lift this off without putting 2 hands on it and something to pry underneath the suction cups just to get the magnets to lift off. I mean, it's extremely on there really well. It's not gonna come off. Then I'm just gonna run the wire down here, and in the vehicle, just go into the cigarette lighter like this. And then here's those different modes. So as I click this little switch here, you're gonna see that the lights are changing and go into all kinds of different modes. So here's this flashing, and I'll flick it again, and then it'll move in a different direction. You can reverse that, and all kinds of different options that this thing has. Really remarkable how many choices you get of the different flashes, whatever's appropriate for the job you're doing, whether you're plowing snow or you're just directing traffic or you're leading people through for parking. This has all kinds of options to meet that need, and just all kinds of different changes here. So, and this is back to the beginning, and it's definitely just got a straight LED on this here. So overall, yeah, this is very, very impressive. I really like how these lights work. So simple, but so effective. Hope that helps learn a little bit more. Have a great day.